Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how do you hide your followers and followings list on Instagram. So first of all, we're going to open up our Instagram, and then on the top right you see those three bars. You're going to press that, and then on the first option is settings. You press that, and first of all we need to make sure that we go in our account section and we make sure that we are using a personal account, not a professional account. Since this account is already a personal account, it says switch to professional account, but if you were using a professional account, that would actually say switch to personal account. So once we've made sure that we are using a personal account, you go back, you go to privacy, and you press that toggle button which says private account, and you see only your followers will be able to see your photos and views, and same is the case with them being able to see your list of followers and followings. Only your followers will be able to see who you follow and what are your followings and who are your followers and who are your followings. And a person who does not follow you, he won't be able to see your post, your followers list, or your followings list. So that's pretty much what this video was about. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.